It's the largest home builder, I know.
Oh, nice.
Probably has so many apartments.
And this is a one bedroom, right?
Yes. Yes, it smells new.
It is new. Oh my gosh. And that's the kitchen. Okay. That should be for hanging your coats, I guess. I think you're better at this than me.
Where is the potatoes?
Okay, so let's go to the rooms. I'm in love with the place already. I guess that's why. Maybe because it's very
It could be, yeah, just because it's lighter.
and the view is not
And there's available in the other village too, so B.
because there's like the closet.
All the appliances are brand new. I use a shed for the wall, so I
This is really nice.
do, I like this.
And I love the fact that you guys have taken care of the housing market. You go to several communities and there's no company that is, I feel like CBH is Idaho. But I feel like you guys are Idaho and you take care of the community.
Yeah. Same with our homes, like we try to keep things reasonable, make it super easy to buy.
Make whoever lives here, you know it's Idaho.
Yeah.
It's not from somewhere. Oh, forgive me, I shouldn't say
Yeah, I know what you mean. Same with like customer service, like
that.
a lot of people.
How much do you say this is?
This one specifically, I think around 1450, 1460, somewhere around there for the second floor. They're the cheapest. If you want a third or a first floor, it might be a little more, like 1480, 90, or 1790. Second floor.
This one.
This is the exact one.
This
That's
is
your name.
so cool. Just tell me what I need to do to apply for it. I'm sold.
Other than that, rental criteria, and I already mentioned that yet, we just gonna make, for this community, there's 3 times the rent amount.
Okay.
Before taxes, and we combine both of your incomes.
Okay.
And then,
So how do you get it? This is like a pay stub?
yeah, so you'll,
Double deposit meaning?
so it's 400, so it'd be 800. But that's gonna be.
But I get it
most
back?
places. Yeah, when you move out, you get it back.
Okay, that's
As long as you don't
I'm okay.
destroy the place, you
Yeah.
get it back.
Okay. And then you have this. What we talked
The
about.
shelves, yeah.
The shelves. See.
It's not the same, it's not too big, but it's
This is, I'm sold. I'm sold already, honestly.
I think they're pretty cute. I think it's a reasonable price for things we do. And we try our best to stay with the market.
Thank you guys
Raise
for what
rent
you're
as well.
doing.
So, especially with this being new, you probably won't have to worry about a rent raise for a long
It's
time.
like a lot of space already that I'm already in love with. Oh my god. And it's not that bad of a view. Yeah, I may not see this.
Building, if you want to drive around there and look
I
at the
think
views.
I'm sold already.
Yeah? You like this building or do you like the other one?
Because
Oh.
it's
But I just didn't know because it's a little bit far of a walk if you guys wanted to drive or not. I'm not sure which one I'd be able to show yet, but if you wanted to see the view, you can always like we can walk there. Same with B. It'll look the same, but the view you can see from outside as well. So if you ever wanted to drive around and see the view.
I love this already. I'm sold. Yeah, the kitchen. Oh, I see what you guys did here. Kind of reduced the kitchen a little bit to have a dining.
So that's the dining room area,
Yeah.
living room, and then you have a bigger living room.
You
So you have a lot of space.
How many square feet is this? Please do you have any?
9 something. It's a little over 900, I think.
That's
I think
huge.
maybe.
For that price point, that's good. Please don't increase
I might
the
be
price.
wrong. I might be wrong.
Oh, please don't increase the price.
No, we won't.
Even if I say it's too good, because I discovered something with marketing, when people are like, oh, it's too good, it's too good, it's too good, and then management here.
This is all over that, so don't worry about it. I couldn't even if I wanted to. want, because the application is specific to one
So,
unit.
okay, let's do this. You said we have available currently?
Yeah, so we know why it's not posted on the
Let me go
website.
online, because that'll make it easier, right? You go to Yellowstone.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, just look up CBH homes.
CBH.
Yeah, it'll be the easiest.
There's no other song.
Just CBH homes.
Just CBH.
Yeah, so I would just exit out the rest of it. And then go here.